June 11th, 2023, Max Park broke the record. You may be asking yourself, well, the Rubik's Cube world record,
No
it was a
way.
3.34 solve, which is amazing. Because not 1 year ago, not 2 years ago, okay, I need to stop talking, but 5 years ago, okay, shut up! Record was set by 3.47 by Yusheng Du. But that's still very surprising to this day. But compared to Max Park's 3.34 second, it's a huge decrease from a world record. Breaking the world record is something huge, or should I say,
Huge! This can damn that's big!
not only for the cuber who did it, but also for all cubing. But if the record was broken 5 years later, does that mean we're gonna get another record in 6 years? 7 years? 8 years? Okay, I need to shut up.
One eternity later.
But actually, think about it. 2018, right? 2018 was the year where the record was last broken. And that was very, very early on into when cubing boomed. But cubing didn't boom 5 years ago.
No.
It happened a few years ago. So there's a lot of new cubers that have never ever experienced a world record. I wouldn't even be shocked if it was a third or even half of the population of cubing that have never experienced a world record in their time. And the weird thing about this is that the record is dropping by huge margins, which is pretty weird because before we almost had 2 ties of world record singles. Sooner or later, word started spreading. How did he solve the cube so fast? Well, I don't know, and I don't know. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.
What he actually executes in the solve is kind of genius, because he did X cross, moves on to F2L, and finishes off with all, and he gets a PLO skip, so good for him.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.
But if the record was broken 5 years later, then when is the next one gonna happen? 6 years? 5 years? 4 years? Or even more? I went down, I don't know why. I'm stupid. If you want to see my suggestions, click here. But if you want to see my latest content, click here. And if you want to unsubscribe from my channel, good, unsubscribe. Thank you.